how to create Microsoft Fabric account. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practical classes from scratch, right from the very basics. In today's session, let's understand how to create Fabric account. Come on, let's get started now. Firstly, you go to your browser. For example, I'll take Chrome and get into your Azure portal. Okay, portal.azure.com. As you know, to step into Fabric, we need Azure. Azure is a prerequisite in multiple ways to step into Fabric. So just log into your Azure account. And once you log into your Azure account, I'll click on the verifications. Okay, I'll just click on the verifications. Let's wait for a few moments. 054317. Just wait. Okay, I'm just entering my OTP. Yes. Once we have this Azure account ready, then our next step, we need to create one Azure user first. Okay, create a Azure user. So for that, go to Microsoft Entra and plus add user and create user. Okay, create user, and we need to specify some username. I'll call it as Fabric user new. Copy the email address. Okay, copy the email address. Give some display name. Any display name is okay, no problem. Password. So I'll document in a notepad. I'll document the username and this auto generated password. Okay, both username, password, both. Then we are going to review and create. So click create like this. Yes, your user got created. Then just leave the remaining things to default. Okay, leave remaining things to default. Sign out. Then go to this portal.app.powerbi.com or app.fabric.com, any of them, powerbi.com or fabric.microsoft.com. It will ask you for your new email account. Whatever mail account you created earlier, you supply it in your Fabric address, Fabric web address. It will ask you for the password, provide the password and sign in. It will ask you to provide the current password, provide the new password and sign in. Okay, it says 14 days. You need not do any extra activities. After 14 days, you need to install a Microsoft Authenticator app. For now, ask later and you are done. So app.fabric.microsoft.com is a website. It asks you to sign up. Once you sign up, we need to specify our previously created Azure account. And during this process, it will ask you to enter your contact number. So provide your correct contact number. I'll say, for example, here it is, India, and my number, and get started. So this is the same email address I copy pasted earlier, and you are done. We get a new Fabric account ready for use. This Fabric account will be active for 60 days from the date of creation. So enjoy using the account. Any questions during your Fabric practice, do let me know. Glad to assist you. Thank you so much. And this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. Any clarifications, any questions, do let me know and we'll take it from there. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.